The another operator is assignment operator. Assignment operator means the use of the symbol equal symbol. Okay, using this operator we store the values. Store the values means a 10. Okay, this 10 value stored into the variable a. This is called the assignment operator. This equal symbol is called the assignment operator. Assignment means store the values into variable. Okay, this assignment operator using three ways. First way, it is used to store the values into variables. First way, store the values means suppose a is here variable. A is here variable. Okay, 20 is the value. 20 is value. The equal, this symbol is called assignment operator. This symbol is called assignment operator. Okay, using this symbol we can store the values into variables. This value is stored into variable. Okay, this is called using for the assignment operator. This equal operator is known as a assignment operator. Assignment operator used to store the values into variable. This is the one way. Next way, store the value of variable into another variable. Suppose C is the variable, D is the variable. Okay, I want to store a variable, this variable into another variable C. Okay, C also variable, D also variable. So int C is the variable, D also variable, this is also variable, this is also variable. The value is stored into the D into C. This is called the variable into variable. Okay, here discussion, the D value stored into the C variable, D also variable, C also variable. Next, another one is the third type is the expression will be stored. Expression means suppose a plus b plus 3, this called one expression. C plus d plus 5, this called another expression. Okay, these types of expression also stored into the variables. Okay, how first we initialize the variable. Int z is the variable, z is the variable we declared it. I want to store the in z the expression something like this, x plus y plus 4. This is the one expression. Okay, this expression I want to store the z. I want to store the z variable. Okay, first we declare like this. Already we declare the variable and expression. Now how can you write means, first x plus y equal operator as a assignment operator. Using this operator stored into the variable, this expression, this whole expression stored into the variable z. Okay, this is called the expression storage. The assignment operator using three ways. First way, variable into value and variable into variable, the variable into expression. Now we write the some compact notations. Compact notations means we repeat the same variable. Okay, using this the variable and we use compact notation means we can eliminate the repetition of the variables. And we can use as called as a compact notation or shortcut notation. Suppose x equal to x plus 25. How to write means this one. Okay, x plus 25 means, now how to write means x equal to x plus 25. Now sal equal to sal into 25. How to write compact notation? Sal into equal assignment operator 25. How to write this one? Again sal into sal equal to sal into 25. Now value minus discount. Value, this is used minus operator, the assignment operator equal to, how to write? Value equal to value minus discount. Okay, P equal assignment operator P by 200. How to write? P by operator is here also assignment operator. P equal to P by 200. Now num equal to num percentile 5.5. How to write this compact notation? Num percentile symbol equal to 5.5. This is the compact notation. Compact notation means shortcut notation we can write. Thank you.